What's up, guys? Something that I found out not too long ago, wanted to pass on, speed squares. We've got endless coil functions, which I don't even know all of them. Obviously, they're good for if you have a reference straight edge that's machine cut. You know, you can get a perfect 90 degrees right here. If you're locking this edge in right here, get your angle finder right here. Nifty angle finder. Lock it in, cover up the line. And you have 90 degrees, right? Well, it's not the only angles that this can do. So down here, you'll see in the corner, it says pivot. Alright, then the outside edge, here, we'll do it right side up. 5, 10, 15, single count. You ever lose the 22.5, which I think is a lot for crown molding, whatever. Is that better? Anyway, 75 all the way to 90, which is out here. So you can basically use it to make any angle. So that pivot point that I showed you, you want it off in the corner. You know what? I'm just going to leave it there. Want it off in this corner here, and you're just going to move it. So if you move it to this mark, this 5 degree mark, that means that this angle right here is 5 degrees. So basically you're drawing along the line that is opposite this angle. Alright, this would be the adjacent side to this angle. Anyway, so let's pick a number. Let's do a 15 right there, right along that number. We'll do a 15 right here. Let's do a 37. How about that? So I use 37 degree angles all the time. And there you go. So now what you do, just to verify, is you measure. Measure. Well, so you could do gnarly subtraction, but we're not going to do that. So, well, I guess you can. So this one, because it was 15 minus 90, it should be 75. And cover up that line. Right on the money. Look at that. 75. This one, what? 37 minus 90 is 53. On the second line is what we're expecting. Can't always be perfect, but today you can. So anyway, you could flip this around. Oh gosh, there you go. If you go on this edge, but that's kind of, yeah, that's kind of silly to do that. Anyway, cool. Let me measure this one. I cut that edge, so that reference edge, yeah, 36.9, a little off. But anyway, that gives you just an idea of how you can draw a very specific angle with a speed square using the pivot function. Sorry about the mess. Thanks for tuning in. Later.